Ever wondered how immersive sound can redefine your home theater experience? Stick around as we unveil 5 things you didn't know about the JBL Bar 9.1, a channel soundbar system that claims to take your audio experience to the next level. Welcome to the Inspect aspect, where today we're diving deep into the JBL Bar 9.1. Is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out together. With an impressive output power of 820 watts, this soundbar delivers a bold audio experience that fills your room. However, while the volume can make your movie nights feel like a cinema, it's worth noting that such power might not be necessary for smaller spaces. The built-in Dolby Atmos and DDSX decoding elevates your audio with a three-dimensional soundstage, giving you that true surround sound experience. Yet be mindful that to fully appreciate this feature, your content must also support these formats. Perhaps one of the most exciting features, the detachable, battery-powered surround speakers allow for a truly wireless experience. No more annoying cables cluttering your living area. But keep in mind, these speakers need to be charged regularly to maintain that wire-free convenience. Do you love deep bass? The JBL Bar 9.1 boasts a 300W 10-inch powered subwoofer that delivers rich, vibrant lows. However, some users may find it overpowers mid-range frequencies at higher volumes, which could detract from vocal clarity. With Ultra HD 4K pass-through and Dolby Vision support, the JBL Bar 9.1 is ready for your high-definition content. Just be aware that you'll need compatible devices to take full advantage of this capability. In conclusion, the JBL Bar 9.1 channel soundbar system is an exceptional product for anyone looking to enhance their audio experience at home. While it has its cons, such as the need for compatible content and regular maintenance for wireless speakers, the pros certainly outweigh them, making it a solid choice for serious audiophiles. If you're considering an upgrade, this model deserves your attention. Interested in the JBL Bar 9.1? Click the link in the description below.